Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the kit recognized. Install the Alesis driver or accept Windows driver prompts, then plug the drum module into a direct USB port. Once connected, open Device Manager or a MIDI monitoring tool to confirm the Nitro Mesh module shows as a MIDI input device. You do this because Clone Hero does not read MIDI natively. Confirming the device ensures later mapping tools can see MIDI messages. Make sure sound and module power are stable before moving on. Next, install a lightweight MIDI to keyboard mapper and run it as administrator so it can send system keystrokes to Clone Hero. Connect the mapper to the Nitro Mesh module by selecting the module as the MIDI input device. Now assign pad MIDI notes to the keyboard keys Clone Hero expects, typically the 5-fret keys, testing each pad in the mapper's live monitor until every hit triggers the correct key. Once done, leave the mapper running while you open Clone Hero and prepare for final setup. Finally, open Clone Hero and confirm the game's input bindings match the keyboard keys you mapped from the drum pads. Play a few songs to confirm reliable hits. If you notice latency, adjust the mapper's delay or audio buffer in your sound settings to find a stable low latency setting. If things go wrong, first reconnect the USB cable and restart the driver and mapper, then run the mapper and game as administrator. These steps fix most recognition and permission-related issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.